Welcome to this tutorial on switching to the line graph in WordPress. In this guide, you will learn how to navigate through WordPress and make the necessary changes to view your data in a line graph format. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to WordPress. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will find the login option. This is your first point of entry into the account management area. After clicking the login button located at the upper right, the next step is to sign in using your Google account. Look for the option labeled Continue with Google and select it. You will then be presented with a list of your available Google accounts. Choose the account that you wish to use for accessing your WordPress site. This process utilizes Google's OAuth service, which means you will enjoy a secure and familiar login experience. With your account now signed in, you should navigate to the area where you can view various statistics related to your blog or website. In WordPress, these statistics are conveniently located under a dedicated section referred to as the Stats tab. The Stats tab provides access to a range of performance data, and switching its graphical representation is straightforward. To reach this section, either locate the Stats tab in the menu or click on its link if it is available on your dashboard. This will open up a panel displaying your site's key metrics. Once you're in the stats section, look towards the right side of your screen where you will notice several icons that represent different ways of visualizing your data. Among these icons, you should see one that features a line graph. This icon is designed to convert your view into a line graph format, which can be especially useful if you are monitoring changes and trends over time. Click on the line graph icon and observe how the statistics transform into a clean, easy to read line graph. This type of visualization is ideal for tracking gradual progress or fluctuations that occur throughout the day. As you work through these steps, keep in mind that the line graph view offers clear insights into your site's performance. This format not only breaks down the numbers in a visually appealing manner, but also makes it easier to spot patterns and anomalies. You might find that this new graph format delivers a more intuitive understanding of your daily traffic trends and visitor engagement. This concise and efficient method to switch your WordPress data view into a line graph is particularly useful when you need to process and analyze your website's performance quickly. By following these straightforward instructions, you can navigate effortlessly through your WordPress dashboard and access enhanced visual representation of your statistics. Enjoy the improved clarity and insight that this line graph view provides as you continue to monitor and optimize your online presence.